Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to add funds to Eneba wallet. So here as you can see is the official way to add funds. So it says to add funds or to your Eneba wallet you can typically use credit debit cards like Visa or MasterCard, PayPal, bank transfer or other digital payment methods. So let's get into the detailed breakdown. So you can usually add funds using credit debit cards. These methods often require processing through a payment aggregator, and then you can also use PayPal and is a commonly supported method for adding funds to your Eneba wallet. So you can also bank transfer, and it can be used to add funds to your wallet. During checkout, you'll typically choose bank transfer as your payment method. You'll then follow the instructions from your bank's website or app to initiate the transfer, and you can also use other digital payments method like Eneba may offer other digital payment methods depending on your region and the vendor. Examples include Ovo, Shopify, Dana, Linkaja, Flip, Curious. So after that, once you have funds in your Enable wallet, you can use it to make purchases on the platform without providing additional financial details. So that's it, guys. Hope you find it helpful. So let's just see you on the next video.